if I had to pin you down for the single biggest benefit, what would that be?
Have to be our ability now to bring on any customer of any size.
Yeah.
If I'm focusing on money, which is obviously why I'm in business, I can approach a Bunnings or a 20,000 staff customer, and we've got a back end now that has yearly allocations, and it updates on their birth date, and you can delete people within 1 minute. If someone resigning, you can delete them out of the system, and you can add 10 new staff a day if you want. And it takes our HR people, my clients' HR people that have access to the portal are saying it takes between 30 seconds and 40 seconds to add a new team member into the portal, which is magic. So that's the dollars talking. But other than that, I've noticed a difference because I was in business for 9 or 10 years before it. Our accuracy is so much better. Our data entry and our accuracy is just near perfect.
No, that's excellent.